Okay, to start making videos, we will also need a tripod. And although I do have a tripod from 10 years ago, I bought in Japan, in Japan, yeah, it's that way. But I just lent it to my brother yesterday, so I'm left without a tripod. Let's prepare a substitute tripod and start making videos. Okay. I have a broom. That's half a tripod, or 1/3 of a tripod. Let me take you with me. How do I do this? So let me take you with me, because I have some scrap wood over here, and this will be just fine for a second leg of a tripod. Okay, welcome back. This one is a little bit messy, so we'll just clear this up a bit. And actually I'm lucky with this mitered edge here, because it also has some kind of a curved bevel, or yeah, a routed profile. So I'll be able to use that to more easily balance the tripod. Actually, I'm no longer sure we need a third leg for a tripod. Let's try. I have one leg here, another leg right here. All we need is some good old black tape. Black tape? Did I say black tape instead of duct tape? Let's see. Tripod. Ready. Okay, let's start making videos. Actually, this one is a bipod, not a tripod. Or, well, it has some kind of a special burst feed, so it's halfway between a bipod and a tripod.